Hey guys, Chuck, House of Mopar, welcome back. Been busy, not so busy. Nothing to do on any muscle cars right at the moment. I say. Another one that you all love is me working on the shop truck. All right. Shop truck sucking oil in through the plenum. The gaskets on each side. They're known for it. There's a repair. I'll show you. It's not the worst thing, it's not the best thing. These engines are shoved way back in there, so it could be fun standing on your head trying to get stuff in with the gaskets not going bad. Plus, I'm taking this K&N setup out. It's cool for a race car, but it's not so great for a daily driver because it sucks dirt in through the filter. It's just being filtered by oil, basically. Here's the intake, factory deal. I got a couple of them. I went back to the junkyard because my one that I have upstairs, 3 of these are missing. So anyway, I got the anti-freeze drained off the truck there, so I'll be pulling it in here and getting busy. All right, I'll show you. Here we go. Oh, she's out. She's out. What do we got in here? Got some gunk naturally fell in. What are you gonna do? I got a lot of cleaning. Get these gaskets off. What do we got here? More crap. Yep. Oof. Really want all that in there. Yeah, that took a lot more than I remembered. A lot of crap. So, what are we doing? The intake. I got about an hour's worth of cleaning. Can you guys see how oily it is? All right, that's the problem. She's sucking oil. For what it is, I understand this beer keg intake's a pretty good intake. What they say, what I heard. So here's the deal. It's all cast aluminum and there's a plate on the bottom, right? And then the gasket goes bad. And you suck a little oil just enough to make a mess. So I got a Hughes engine kit. Comes with a machine plate instead of that. You can get this with a Felpro gasket kit. They don't have them. They're out. COVID. All your other gaskets. There's a bypass hose because that thing doesn't like to come off too well. It goes right there. It's here. Oh, here. See? Yeah. That's actually newer. So, yeah. Comes with intake manifold bolts. I've had these snap. And then, of course, the bolts for underneath there. I've had them snap, guys. These ones up in the front. Where are they? This one here. I guess that one there. They just go to air. Is that right? Yeah, they come out underneath. I don't remember. Well, anyway, I had them snap and get to waste so much time putting it together, drilling it out. Ended up drilling through and put a bolt and a nut on there on one of the trucks, that white one I had here. Anyway, all right, let me clean this biatch up and go from there. All right. Get you guys on a really crappy tripod. As clean as she's gonna get. Yeah, I don't feel like screwing with it anymore. Let's see what we got. Should have took a few of these out before I started you guys up. Content. Yay. Yeah. So a horse walks into a bar. What'd the bartender say? That's all I got. I got better ones. Not supposed to say them on YouTube. All right. All right. Oh my, look at that. Son of a buck. Poor old Dodge. sucking the oil. Poor Dodge. Let's see. Yeah, look at that. Poor old Dodge. Well, it's not going to be up here much, but yeah. All right, I'm going to clean this up, RTV it, and I am going to put it inside to let her dry before I tackle this mess. Because it's like 50 degrees out today. Yeah, high of 50. This tripod sucks. Anyway, yeah, that's going to take some careful. There's water in there too. So you get an oil change. All right, wobbly. There we go. Okay, all right. Yeah. See the difference. Yeah. Hughes uses, they supply you with a little tube of ultra black, which is what I generally use. I don't use it all the time. What am I saying? That's been sitting an hour, of course, cleaned up, and that's pretty clean. Pretty clean. I am going to change the oil, but I think I'm going to go ahead and maybe run the truck for a little bit because there's some shit I missed, I'm sure. Anyway, all right. This is tricky for me because I have limited skills. That gasket or this gasket, you got to get this thing in there and set it right down, just like any of them. But Chuck has trouble sometimes. I'm not even going to tell you the dumbass stuff I've done by accident, not intentionally. But it does have valve pumping water into a running engine. Yeah. Didn't ruin it, but yeah. Yeah, that's what I did. Okay. I'll be back when I get this intake on. She's in, torque down. Went pretty well, honestly. Yep. Except in the realm of doing dumb stuff. I had torqued this to 40, the plate in the bottom to 48 inch-pounds. I went around twice. Well, then I was going back check and see if they threw in the torques for the intake manifold bolts. And I looked at this, it says step 2, 84 inch, step 3, 84. What's it say? If you want it to fail, disregard this step. Well, no, I didn't want it to fail, so off she came. I didn't screw it up twice. So, yeah, reverse of everything else. I know this is gonna be a bitch. Putting this guy on, this bypass hose. Yep, gotta go right there. Right, Joe. It likes to fight. Yes, it does. All right. To be continued. Well, done and done. Done and done. Factory style air cleaner back on there. Yeah. Wasn't awful. Oh, wow. Yeah, them stupid, you remember that video? Anybody that managed to watch that video, these, I don't know where it is. They're check valves for the vacuum. Yeah, one of the Chinese EMs just split in half on me, brand new. Yeah, that's it. Shop truck. She's ready for a trip, I believe. I still got to push the camper shell back and caulk the window. I had the window out, trying to get her keep from leaking. She drips, whatever. So anyway, I'm going to take this out and clean the floor and put this crap away and bring the CUDA back in. So anyway, yeah, guys, for whatever it's worth, that's what I got. Macon Muscle Car Corvette Nationals is coming up on the 20th of November, and I hope to go. There's going to be couple cool cars. Jess Neal's going to be back there evidently, and there was a guy that raced RO23 67 Belvedere out of my hometown of Savannah, Illinois. That car exists and it's supposed to be debuted. Anyway, all right, thanks guys. I'll catch you next time.